Imagine walking outside at night. You see a second moon in the sky. It sounds cool at first, but the consequences would be disastrous. Gravity would change. The tides would go absolutely wild. Coastal cities would constantly be at risk of flooding. Storms would become more intense, earthquakes more frequent, and the weather would just go crazy. Nights would be way too bright, making it impossible to sleep properly. Imagine how messed up your sleep cycle would get. Animals, plants, everything that depends on the moon would be thrown into chaos. Our ecosystems would start breaking down. The balance that the moon provides would be destroyed. Earth's orbit could shift, throwing off our entire stability. The second moon would mess with the planet's rotation, potentially shortening our days. The longer we had two moons, the more damage it could do to our planet. The changes could be irreversible. And what if one day the two moons collided? That would be a catastrophic event for Earth. It's terrifying to think about, but it's a possibility. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a crazy idea like this.